Hello friends, MPGS India Agrotech welcomes you all to our official YouTube channel. We hope that you all are doing great and taking care of yourself. This video is about a medium-sized pilot scale, one-of-a-kind advanced fish farming technology called Recirculating Aquaculture System or RAS in short. The grow tank size is 50,000 liter and the filtration volume is 10,000 liter in total. Very high circulation in the filtration tank is very important to keep healthy colony of beneficiaries. It is great if the circulation system put in such a way that the flow itself add oxygen in the water and removes toxin gases on its own. By this, one can reduce usage of aeration for longer duration and recurring cost. Thus, keep the machine in good shape for longer duration. Bacteria, the oxygen level in the biological media holding tank should also be very high. This is how we can measure actual flow rate of the installed pump based on actual circumstances. Healthy flow rate is very important to achieve success in the project. High flow rate may create extra stress to the fishes and less flow rate will not clean the water properly. Perfect balance needs to be achieved. These floating bags of media will soak overnight and stay in the bottom eventually. Just observe the flow in the media tank. It is very high. On next, you will listen unedited clip of the project site itself. Please ignore the background noise due to heavy aeration of the setup which is holding Pabda fish.
Good morning everyone. We are in Agra. We had a situation here. This tank was built for keeping Pabda fish and it was not having any recirculation, only oxygenation or aeration was there, and they used to introduce fresh groundwater and used to discharge the bottom sludge manually, and there was no recirculation. So we have installed a recirculation system with biological media. Biological media is yet to come. This is the pipeline. This is the pump. This pump will be on for 24/7. Now this is going to this sludge separator. As you can see, from sludge separator, first tank, it is coming to the next tank, the second sludge separator. Sludges are already coming into the bottom. Now this is going to the biological filter. You can see we have installed in an angle so that a rotational movement can be achieved, and oxygenation or aeration at the center. So another rotation from top to bottom will occur. Now biological media is on the way. It will be introduced within next couple of days. From here the water is coming out, as you can see. It is coming to the main tank. Here we have also done the same angular discharge, so a smooth flow of water can be achieved in the main fish tank. Here you can see some floating particles which are going in an unidirection form, which shows the circulation is going on. Gradually we will reduce the oxygenation in the main tank and will increase oxygenation in the biological tank after introducing the biological media. Well everyone, thank you.
We hope that you liked the video. Thank you for your lovely support and response for our previous videos. We are looking forward to see you on our next video. And do not forget to subscribe our channel to get more such informative videos. Till then, take care and happy fish farming.